Miranda. Once again here making a video to show you how to make crab salad. Yes, crab salad. If you have friends coming over, or you have a get together or a game night, or just family coming over and you don't feel like cooking, you can put 1, 2, and 3 together and you have this delicious crab salad. Yes, crab salad. But just between us, when you buy it at the store, it is going to say imitation crab. So, but nobody needs to know that. That's just between us. Imitation crab. So let me go ahead and show you the actual package so you know what you're looking for when you're at the store. I do get mine either at Walmart or Sam's Club, but check with your local grocery store. Alright, so I'm going to go over each ingredient and then also what you can serve it with at the end. It's all up to you. It's your choice. I'm also going to give you the version that I'm using for myself now. The reason is because I'm doing the keto diet. So I don't want to mess that up. It's working perfectly for me. So let's get started. Alright, so this is our star ingredient, our crab supreme, imitation crab. Nobody needs to know it's imitation. Fat-free, low cholesterol. This is 1.5 pounds. So for this packet, I'm going to use 2 large firm tomatoes, one bunch of cilantro, 8 limes. You can use lemons, but I prefer limes. 1 onion. The cucumber, I'll tell you more about that towards the end. And of course, avocado. That gives it a delicious taste. And I'm going to use some pink salt, some ketchup, and some Valentina hot sauce. I do recommend this salsa. If you don't have it where you're at, you can use tapatio. If you don't have the Valentina, which I recommend. Okay, so talking about the salsa again, I'm gonna use about maybe 2 tablespoons of the salsa. If you don't have this salsa where you're located at, either your country, your state, or if you're on the other side of the world, let me know and I will personally send you your Valentina salsa so you can make your crab salad. Like I said, this is only to give it a little spicy taste. You can use either more or you can use less. It all depends on your taste buds. Another ingredient that I don't have or I don't want to add, you can add jalapenos. That's your preference as well. I'm not gonna add any because I'm having kids eat crab salad as well, so I'm not gonna add the jalapeno, but I am gonna add the hot sauce. Alright, so I'm using 2 teaspoons of salt, your salt of your choice. I'm using pink salt because that's what I have. I'm using 3 tablespoons of ketchup. The ketchup, I use it so it can incorporate all the ingredients together. I don't like to use a lot because it gives it like this sweet flavor. But it's your choice, it's your salad, right? But this is what I use and the amount. This is the salsa that I use as well to give it a little taste, a little spicy taste. It's called Valentina. You can use tapatio as well, but I do prefer you go with Valentina. And then this you can use as much as you like, your choice. Alright, so this is the package. So all I'm going to do now is just separate them, make them into smaller pieces. If you don't want to do it with your hands, my hands are washed of course, you can use a food processor. Just pulse it a couple of times because you don't want to shred it all the way. So let me go ahead and finish doing this. Or if you don't want to use your hands, you can chop it up, and this is how it's gonna end. This is the size you want it to be. Alright, so now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping my cilantro, my whole bunch. And my cilantro is all chopped up. If you don't want to chop it up or waste time, you have a food processor, go ahead. Whatever works for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and place this here. So the onion is chopped. We're going to go ahead and add it. Alright, so we are almost done. So I have the cilantro, the onion, the tomato chopped up. Now I went ahead and I cut up my limes. Like I said, I'm using 8 limes. I am going to use this Alright, I have finished squeezing all of my limes. From there, and now we're gonna go ahead and add the salt, the ketchup, and then the Valentina hot sauce. All right, now that we have added the salt, the ketchup, the lime, and then chopped up the tomato, cilantro, and onion, we're going to go ahead and incorporate everything. And then make sure you taste it, salt. If it needs a little bit more ketchup, I think it's going to need a little bit more, but let me see. So I'm going to go ahead and add another tablespoon of ketchup, because mine does need one more. But like I said, it's just to your tasting. It all depends, you know, just add a little bit. If you feel that it needs more, or if you want more, go ahead and add more. Alright my friends, so we're almost done, I promise. So I already mixed everything together. We have the cilantro, the onion, the tomatoes. We have the 8 limes. We have the 2 teaspoons of salt. We have, I ended up using 4 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm using the ketchup just so I can incorporate everything, and it gives it that little sweet flavor. That's why I'm not using a lot. Now I'm gonna add the Valentina hot sauce, and this is for my tasting. But like I said, you can avoid it or you can add it. It's up to you. Alright, so once again, this is a Valentina hot sauce that I like using for this specific salad. So I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna fill it up. That should be enough. Now time to mix. Alright friends, so I promise we're almost done. I know I mentioned that you can also add a cucumber. You can chop it up and add it to your salad. The more veggies you add to it, the better, because you'll have a good amount to feed your crowd. So it's up to you. I, on the other hand, what I like to do, because like I mentioned, I'm doing the keto diet, so I can't eat tostadas or tortilla chips. I'm actually gonna cut up the cucumber in circles and then eat it and use that like if it was a cracker or if it's a piece of tostada. So that's why I'm using the cucumber in this case. So it's up to you if you want to add it or not, or use it as tostada. So let me go ahead and get that ready. Hey friends, so we're almost done. So I just finished telling you about how I'm gonna use the cucumber in my salad. So now I leave to the end the avocado, and the reason I like to use it all the way to the end is I don't like to mix it while I'm mixing everything else, because then it gets mushy. I know that I'm really picky when I like to serve whatever I'm making or whatever I'm cooking. I like it to look nice, a good presentation. So I like my chunks of avocado, but it's up to you, okay? So let me show you. All right, my YouTube family. So we are done with our crab salad, and this is the end. I added the avocado until the end, and like I said, nobody needs to know this is imitation crab. You can just say, you know what, come on over. I'm having some crab salad with some tortilla chips, some tostadas, or if you don't want to eat it with tostadas or tortilla chips, you can also have it with saltine crackers. Or like myself, because I'm doing the keto diet, or I just want to avoid eating tortilla chips or the tostadas, I'm gonna go ahead and use cucumber. And then I went ahead and I added some Valentina hot sauce on top, and we are going to go ahead and start eating. Yummy, yummy. All right, so here is my cucumber with my part. I have a little bit of everything. So you have a cilantro, avocado, tomato, onion, of course my Valentina hot sauce. It's really good, of course, because I made it. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you take the time and make it. Like I said, you can do it as a quick meal, as an appetizer. If you have friends coming over and you're low on a budget, it's not expensive. I think I wasted like maybe $8 just on this, because I already had some of the ingredients at home. But try it out. If you like it, if you do need the Valentina hot sauce, I'm gonna keep my word. The first 3 people that let me know that, so yes, if you don't have the Valentina hot sauce in your side of town, your city, your state, or on the other side of the world, let me know in a comment and I will send one to you. So the first 3 people that leave me a comment requesting one, I will send you one through mail. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and I will be adding more videos. So once again, thank you for staying all the way to the end, and see you. Also, to keep in mind, you don't necessarily have to make the crab salad just because you're having friends over or for a family gathering. You can also make it as a potluck at work or school, or if you're going out to the beach, or if you're going camping, or just any reason, something quick, easy, and affordable.
For this delicious, wonderful dinner/snack that you made us.
What is it that you're gonna eat?
Beautiful looking haiba.
Look at this little strange little hand trying to grab some haiba as well. All right. You're making yourself 2 tostadas?
No. That is for my little brother.
All right. Uh-oh, the little hand. I want some more.